Hello students, welcome back to the English Danny channel. This is the English Danny channel trailer, and today we'll be introducing the 4 teachers that will be making lessons for the English Danny channel. Remember to press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. First we will introduce Teacher Sarah, then we will introduce Teacher John, and finally we'll introduce Teacher Don. Thank you.
Hello students, I'm Teacher Sarah from the English Danny channel. I'm so excited to meet you and to introduce myself to you. I am an English professor at a university. I've been teaching English for 5 years, and I've taught students in the US, China, and South Korea. I can't wait to hear from you and to help you improve your English skills.
Hello everyone, I'm Teacher John. Nice to meet you. I'm a teacher of English at a university. I have taught in South Korea and China for 6 years and have experience teaching all ages of students. I'm here to help you become a better English speaker, and I can't wait to share my knowledge with you.
Hello students, my name is Don and I'm a teacher on the English Danny channel. I'm here to help you learn English. For the last 16 years, I've been helping students all around the world learn English, and now I'm going to try to help you. So let's learn English together.
Okay, great. Thank you for watching our teacher introduction video. Please remember, if you look on our channel, you can find many videos to help you learn English. Also, please remember to press the subscribe button, and if you like these videos, please share them with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.